Teachers.
Hello. Hello, please. This side.
Come and show me. Come and just on the please.
There is nothing to worry you.
You first
No,
come.
you're not part of it.
You come. Why are you crying? No, you don't need to be scared. Are you a student? First bring your books, I see. What shows that you're a student? Oh, not really. You're a student from there.
Let me take their bags.
You know them?
Sorry?
You know them?
Yes,
the
I
owners
do.
of the bag.
I do.
They'll come and sit there. You're studying from here. Who teaches you from here? He's called who? And how did you know that there is studies here? Who is that friend? Okay, you come and join your friends here. We want to know those teachers who are. With your friend.
You guys, please pass this side. Where children are being taught in holidays. Some of the schools in Masaka city have defied the ministry's calendar, Ministry of Education calendar. They have defied the directive issued recently by the ministry, by even the parliament, that you students and pupils, during this holiday, you should be at home, resting your brain in the first place, but also getting some informal education from your parents. How did you come here? I want 3 people to tell me, if there are no administrators, how did you come here? Can I have you? Any volunteer?
We came from home. We came from home.
How did you know that you have to come from home?
Yes, they called our parents that have to learn holiday.
The school administrators?
Yes.
Called your parents?
Yes.
Do you pay?
Yes.
Please.
You paid how much?
Please
10,000 shillings.
How much?
10,100.
To come here?
Yes.
Please.
Fees. The requirements. There's a term.
Who gave you authority to come here? CID.
Wait, hello. Where are you going?
I'm telling you, this one, what you are showing me here, is an indiscipline. Gentlemen, how did you come here? You come. Then get this one here. Get this one. How did you come? Madam, how did you come? Get even this one, get her. Get this one here. You with the bag, come here. Wait, look at that one. Let one of you tell me how you are going to here.
Then this is the
If not,
you can go.
so I want
Assistance, okay? We are here to support you and we are here to give you assistance.
all schools are closed. Where do you come from? Awembe. Okay, those who come from far and are here,
We know they are going.
contact them to come and pick you. Anyway, if you continue again trying to think you are so clever, we shall make you go home. But if you know that you are under disguise of boarding here and you have not contacted your parent, by close of the day, you should contact the parent and he picks you. nsanze okumenya ekiragiro ekya ministry ey'ebyenjigiriza. Ministry y'ebyenjigiriza erina kalenda ey'okusoma. Buli mwaka mubeeramu ttaamu 3 ate mubeeramu n'okuwummula kwa mirundi 3. Kitegeeza buli ttaamu lweggalawo abaana balina okuwummula ne badda eka bawummuze ku bwongo mu by'omu kibiina ate baddeyo eka bayigirizibwe emirimu egikwata ku ndono yaabwe, emirimu omuntu wa bulijjo gy'alina okukola nabo bakule nga bamanyi. Abaana abasinga wano okimanyi abamu tebamanyi na kuwaata era tetuba kubafuna mukisa nti Naabagereka abateerawo ekisaakaati twali badde tufuna mwana asobola kufumba mmere. So yensonga lwaki bwe tulabye nga essomero lino erya kindergarten lino likoze eki lireese kumpi ekyalo kirambe eky'abaana bali wano ne tugamba nti katubategeeze nti kimenya mateeka era yensonga lwaki tugambye abaana baddeyo eka ate era tetwagala balaba nate nga badda mu masomero okusoma mu luwummula. Ekikwekweto kino kigenda mu maaso era nnyongera okulabula amasomero gonna wano mu Masaka. Newe njogerera wano wadde nga abakulembeze b'essomero lino badduse naye poliisi egenda kubanoonya bagibuulire lwaki batyobodde ekiragiro n'okutyoboola kalenda ya education. Abaana abali wano kitoobero abamu toyinza kumanya na gye bavudde. Kati omwana bw'afunira wano omutawaana ate okumakinga matters worse buli mwana azze wano bamwagalako emitwalo 10. Tulwanyisa bwavu bano beetega wano okwagala okubba ku bazadde essente under disguise mbu bali mu holiday coaching. Singa ministry ekikkiriza ffe tetukibeerako mutawaana naye ministry bwebanga yakigaana ate ne parliament mwagiwulidde juzi wano naye yabadde very concerned. Ne mukama waffe president naye ayagala abaana bakole ki bawummuzeeko obwongo ku bino bayigeko ebintu ebirala. Saawa zino bayiga okunoga emwanyi, bayiga okuwaata, bayiga okufumba. Kijja bayamba mu biseera bwabwe ebya. Bwe tuvuddeyo ku ssomero waliwo abaana betuzze nabo n'omufumbi ow'essomero eryo. Ekibaleesezza wano abaana abatono bano twagala bawo obujulizi obukakasa nti babadde ku ssomero nga basoma ate nga kimenya tteeka lya Ministry ya Education. Naye tetubaleese nti tugende tubasibe. Saagala muntu ataddeeyo nti Washaki atandise okusiba abaana. Nedda, abaana tebalina musango. Bano abaana tebalina musango naye nabo twetaaga bayige nti gavumenti bwe beetaddewo ekiragiro kirina okugoberwa. So abano abaana bagenda kuwa poliisi obujulizi era ndagidde amangu ddala babate baddeyo eka ewaabwe bagende bayambe ku bazadde baabwe emirimu.
Ate omufumbi yatemezaako abasomesa ne
oyo omufumbi oyo kati oyo omufumbi party ya administration ye tumwagala agira asigala wano kubanga bwe tubadde tuyingira yagezezaako okusiba geeti ate n'okutemya ku baana nti badduke ekyomukisa omulungi nga tewali we bayitira olukomera nga weeruli. After coming from the school I decided that we pick some few students, 5 or 6 of them, to come and help to testify that really they were at school learning against the directive of the Ministry of Education and the calendar. We did not bring them here as prisoners or as suspects. They are just to prove, because somebody can say, hey, what shows that they were at school? Yes, the students themselves are testifying. So it's the reason. And I've directed police that once they give them information about how and what has been going on, they immediately release them to go home and go and help their parents work.
About the cook?
The cook really is part of the administration, and they find that he's the one who tried to lock us out and also alerted students to begin running away. He should have some more time with the police to give testimony on why the administration, including him, is also part of the administration.
The teacher ran away? The teachers?
Those teachers who ran away and the administration are all going to be summoned to police to make statements. And those ones, we shall prosecute them. To make a statement at police, you take desks or you take part of the children to go and testify that they were learning. So so you cannot just allege procedure like that, okay?